Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Edwin Kanakan Kamad and my topic is about supplication. Okay, so what is supplication? It is known as dua in Islam. It's a fundamental act of worship that involves making a humble and earnest request to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It is a way for Muslims to acknowledge their dependence on Allah and seek His guidance, mercy, and assistance in all matters of life. There are two possible forms of supplication: at graves or at the other places. One may be chance make supplication at a place. For example, one is going somewhere and on the way he feels an urge to make an supplication and does so. Or he passed by some graves or deliberately visited this, greeted the dead in accordance with Sunnah, and pray for one's own forgiveness and for them. It is permissible form of supplication. Okay, so another possibility is that one deliberately visit a grave with the intention to supplicate there in the belief that his supplication is likely to be accepted there. It is a prohibited form of supplication. Supplication in church. There is a tremendous difference between the two forms. This point may be illustrated further with this example. Someone is supplicating on his way and passing by an idol or a church. Since his intention did not originate due to these things, he is not sinner and his supplication is perfectly alright. Or he is praying at a place where there is a cross, of which he is ignorant. Or he is forced into staying in the church and supplicates to Allah. There is no harm in it, for he did not visit the church in particular for offering supplication. However, if he visits a particular idol or a cross for supplication, it amounts to committing a serious sin. Likewise, if he considers that supplicating in a particular house, market, shop, or near a particular pillar is better, it is also forbidden, for one should not take a place exclusively for this purpose. Same applies to praying near graves. Rather, it is a much more serious matter in that the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ has specially forbidden that. Okay, so yun lamang po ang ating report. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.